Hey friends, if you wish to fix your devices offline, try a different sign-in method error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. So the first solution is to check the network connection. Now, how would you do that? First of all, search for fast.com in the Windows search bar and open fast.com. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the network driver. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi adapter and update it. And the last one is obviously network reset. Now, why am I suggesting a network reset and not many other solutions like other channels and websites suggest? Because a network reset will cover all of those solutions. For example, flushing the DNS, resetting WinSock, resetting IP addresses. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset and finally click on Reset Now and then click on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.